Alright, I'm back for week 3 of our crochet along in November. I'm super excited. This Falling Leaves dishcloth set has been so much fun to make. So today I'm going to show you guys how to add this border to it. I'm absolutely obsessed with these. They're so pretty, and I'm going to show you how to finish these up. They are so much fun to make, and I think my favorite part about them is that they are perfect for beginner crocheters and for experienced ones because there's just enough texture in here that keeps me entertained. So I'm going to go grab the rest of my stuff and I'll show you guys how to do it. Hi friends, when you look in the description below this video, there's going to be a link there that contains free patterns. Make sure you click that, check it out, and I'm so excited to see how you make them. Bye guys.
Alright, so as you can see, one of these already has a border on it, and that's because I thought I was recording and I wasn't. And I put it on and I recorded the entire thing, and it was not recording. So we've got this one already done. I'm going to show you guys how to put the border on this one. It's the same, so the border goes on the same way for all of them. So we'll fold this little guy up and we'll move him out of the way. And then for this one, we're going to do the border in the gold color. I think that'll look really pretty. So you take your dishcloth, and down here is the technical row 1, and up here is the last row. So what we're going to do is take the color that you're making the border with and make a little slip knot. And then in that last stitch, we're going to insert our hook and pull, whoops, and pull this through. And we're going to chain 1. And then in the same stitch, we're going to single crochet 1, chain 1, single crochet 1, chain 1, all in that same stitch. And then we're going to start working down the side, and we're just going to go into a row, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet in the next row, and we're just going to do this all the way down. Alright, so we put our last single crochet at the end of the row. Now we're up here at our starting spot, so we're going to chain 1, insert our hook, single crochet, chain 1, back in the same stitch, single crochet, chain 1. And now we're going to, on our row here, that's our chain, we're going to do the chain like we did our chain 1, so we'll skip this stitch, go into the next stitch, chain 1, skip that stitch, go into the next, and we're just going to do that same pattern till we get to the next corner. Alright, and so we've got our single crochet in the last stitch, so now we're going in here, we're going to chain 1 in the corner, we're putting the single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and then we're going to start going back down this row again. Alright, so we're back at another corner. We're going to take our yarn, chain 1 into that corner stitch, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1. We'll skip that first stitch, go into the second, and we'll just keep chain 1, skip 1, go into the second. It's so nice that this pattern repeats this same type of stitch all the way across. I feel like it's a great pattern for newer crocheters who want to learn something a little bit different. But I feel like, I mean, I've been crocheting for over 20 years and I still feel like this is a super fun, quick project to kind of knock out for like gifts and housewarming presents, or like hostess gifts or host gifts. I just think it's a lot of fun. But I love that it's just different enough that it won't bore me when I'm making it, if that makes any sense. I know sometimes, especially as advanced crocheters, if you're just doing something simple over and over again, it's not quite as fun. But I love it. Alright, so we are back. We are going at the end. We have our chain 1. We're going to slip stitch into that first chain 1, finish off our yarn. And we are done. Just gotta weave in our ends. And I'll do that real quick with you guys. Got my tapestry needle. We only got 2 ends to weave in because I already weaved in all the other ones. And ta-da! We have our dishcloths all done. Super cute. I love them both. I love that I did the fall color on this one. I think that's a lot of fun. Yeah, I think that's really pretty. And I'm normally not like a huge yellow fan, but recently I've really loved yellow. So the gold on this, I think it makes it look bright and pretty, especially with the muted tones of the fall colors. So yeah, so we've got our dishcloths done, and now I'm going to show you in the next video how to make the little leaves that go on these if you want them to, and how to turn those into coasters. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!